Hello everyone, I'm making a video once again on YouTube. So today I'm going to do a review on steak. Basically I'm not doing a review on the app, I'm doing a questionnaire to say about their feedback about steak. So we're going to look at that. So I want to tell you more about this. I'm not being paid by steak and I have not been paid by steak. So this is a questionnaire they send to everyone to see how you're getting on with the state app and how you want to improve and so on. I would like to show what I'm going to write and tick. So let's show it to everyone. So I'm on the feedback and I will start to progress now. So I'll press the start button. How do you heard about steak? So I heard it from a YouTube channel, so it's from Money Unshackled, so YouTube. How satisfied are you with your steak experience throughout far? So I would say 10 because I really do like that and it's really great. And do you use steak as your main brokerage to active US stocks? Now, I kind of have a conflicted view on this question. I do want steak to be my main US broker for US stocks. So I'm going to say yes, even though I'm using Trading 212, but I'm going to say yes because it will become my main US broker near the future. So it could be next year. Yes. Right. It has a range of US stocks. Compare to other sites like free trade and trading 212. Okay, enter. What do you like most about steaks? I do like, and I meant to say, I do like the app design and ease of use. That what I will do. So that what I will click on. What area would you like to see us work on? One thing I really want to see them to work on is desktop platform because I do actually do want they have a desktop for all UK foods. And I know people in the UK want an ISIS account, so I think they will pick D, but for my questionnaire, I will pick C because I do want a desktop platform because Free Trade do it, even though Trading 212 do. But I don't really like Trading 212 to be it dropped very basis, or I would say with Trading 212. Trading 212 can compete with stake as a no commission brokerage, but that would be great. So I say C. So okay. Have you been in touch with stake customer service team? No, because I haven't done. I actually got rid of stake, so that is not customer service. That's actually seeing all other stake customers and have a conversation. So I would say no. So summit. So yes. So I officially finished my feedback form, and yes. So it just email if I got some more in detail feedback. So yeah. So and that's all done. So yeah. So we finished the feedback. So everything is all completed, it's all done and just sent to them. So if you really do want to sign up to stay, and if you really want to set up a US stock brokerage account with no commission, the only thing you only have to pay is the foreign exchange costs when you put the money into from your foreign currencies. It could be Australian, New Zealand, or British pound or Brazilian peso into the account, you just pay a small commission for the currency exchange, and the only thing you will only have to pay when you firstly sign up is your WBNA, that is a tax form. So yes, so if you really want to sign up to Stake to get more US stocks and ETF compared to Trading 212 and Free Trade, I don't know what the other one in Australia. So yeah, so there's a link below and it will come up also on top. So if you want to know more about Stake and my review of the app, there's a video coming up soon that you can click on. So yeah, just follow, like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.